Okay, so to make this even cooler than it is right now, I know, like, how could this get cooler than what it is right now? Different things that you might do is create more features to your movement, add gravity, have them bounce. Watch a bouncing ball tutorial and see how you might add that to your move method. Um, Tap into a physics library. I'll send a link to one of Dan Shipman's tutorials for using a physics library. So these different bones could pile up on the ground and just, the dog's in heaven. Um, you could check to see if the mouse is colliding one of these falling bones, and if it is, then have it do something. And, you could create a lot more bones. Now, already this code is getting sort of lengthy with all these different bone variables. 1, 2, 3, 4. What if you want 20? Okay, it's a lot of different lines of code. So at that point, or even now, what you might do, or what you should do, is store these different bone objects, all these different valuables, in an array. So we're going to get into arrays next week, but if you want to jump into them now or get familiar with them, I'll create a tutorial following this one with how you might store them in an array. And, this is the above and beyond. If you want to take this to the next level, this is not required for this week's assignment. But let's see what an array would do in this situation. And it will also be an introduction to loops. So introduction to loops and arrays, which we're going to be covering in the next couple of weeks, but not for this. This is just taking it to the next level. If you want to get into loops and arrays, watch the next video. If not, continue on. I'm excited to see what you all do with your FACER things.